ओके चलिए, ऑल राइट। Everyone, please share the as much as you can. Please share this class is important, very very important, and please reply it that what will be the answers of the entire questions. Okay, so we are going to start these sessions, very beautiful sessions. Everybody will start this. Okay, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहले नंबर क्वेश्चन से एवरीबॉडी प्लीज, the lot of the questions would be discussed it here. Important session it is going to be conduct. Please ध्यान दीजिएगा, सारे क्वेश्चंस इंपॉर्टेंट हैं हमारे लिए और आपके लिए भी, ठीक है, क्योंकि कल एग्ज़ाम है, tomorrow is exam of the UGC-NET, so paper 1 MCQs we will be discuss it now, so please answer all the questions, okay, and important questions we will be discussing from the teaching aptitude, higher education, ICTs, communications, reasoning, logical, each and everything would be discussed. Okay, so let's here go with the questions. Okay, chaliye, so first question it is here that when normal students behave in a erratic manner in the class, you would. Okay, so options are here to pull up the students then and there, talk to the students after the class, or ask the student to leave the class or ignore the students. Everybody answer, what will be the right answer of these questions? जल्दी से बताएंगे. It is very important questions that it is. Please tell the right answer. What will be the right answer of these questions? Yes, very good. So right answer it is that talk to the students after the class. Okay, chaliye, all right, very good. So you will communicate to the students after the class. If any student is behaving in an erratic manner in the classes, you would talk to them after the class. Okay, chaliye, B option is the right options. Now moving toward the next question, that is, in large part of the eastern India, the groundwater is contaminated by. Everyone please answer. In the large parts of the eastern India, the groundwater is contaminated by arsenic, lead, mercury, or nickel. Everybody answer. Large part of the eastern India, the groundwater is contaminated by. It is very important questions. Everybody please answer. Yes, very good. So that is what here the right answer that everyone has given. Very good. That the right answer, that is yes, that will be the right answer, will be arsenic. Okay, please look on it. This is the arsenic here. It is not here the lead one. Okay, it is the arsenic. Okay, so arsenic is the right answer. Arsenic is the highly toxic in its organic form. Contaminated water used for the drinking, food preparations, and the irrigations of the food crops poses the greatest threat to the public health from the arsenic, right? So please note it down. In the eastern parts, that the most of the groundwater that is contaminated by the arsenic. Okay, so याद रखेंगे, जो भी ग्राउंड वाटर में ज़्यादातर जो पॉल्यूट होता है वो किस केमिकल से होता है, वो आर्सेनिक से होता है, ठीक है। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। Who was the first woman chief minister of any Indian state? Everyone answer. This is the important questions, general questions it is about. Who was the first woman chief minister of an Indian state? Everyone answer. चलिए जल्दी से आंसर देंगे. It is very very important. Please tell me the right answer of these questions. So everyone answer. It is very very important. So timer has been started. What is the right answer of these questions? First woman chief minister. Yes. So right answer it is here. Absolutely. Very good. So right answer is Sucheta Kriplani. Okay. Sucheta Kriplani is the right answer. Please note it down. This is very very important. That the first woman to become chief minister was Sucheta Kriplani of the Indian National Congress (INC), who was sworn in 2nd of October 1963. Okay, as in chief minister of the Uttar Pradesh. Right? कहाँ की CM बनी? That is CM of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, please note it down. This is very very important. Please. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. universities having the central campus for the imparting educations are called? Everyone answer. What is the right answer of this question? Chaliye, everyone answer. Universities having central campus for the imparting educations are called. Yes, very good. That the right answer, that is central universities. You have to reply in under the 10 seconds only. Okay, the timer will be running. Okay, and you have to reply in 10 seconds. Okay, so very good. Right answer, it is the central universities. Okay, very good. So you can note it down that how many central universities are as of the March 2021. So number of the total central universities, right? Everyone please note it down, that is 54 central universities that of, right, the March 2021 as per the record of 2021, and that is, you can note it down, that is UGC includes 54 central universities as of the November 2021. The UGC list 126 institute which we are granted to the deemed universities, right? So deemed universities, that is 126. Okay, and as of the March 2021, here it is, that is the UGC listed 443 state universities. State universities kitne hain? That is 443. So these are the numbers, please note it down, because sometimes the question is asked related to this also. ठीक है, इस तरीके से भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, तो प्लीज नोट इट डाउन. ठीक है, सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज कितने हैं? 54 है. डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटीज कितने हैं? 126 है. स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटीज कितने हैं? 443 है. ओके, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. द इम्पॉर्टेंट डिटेल्स, DTH सर्विस वॉज स्टार्टेड इन द ईयर. ओके, everyone answer. Timer has been started. Please answer these questions. That direct to home service was started in the year. ठीक है, direct to home service started in the year. The options are 2000, 2020, 2002 and 2004, 2006. Okay, yes, Arunima has answered. Very good, that is C. Okay, chali, all right. So C is the right answer. 2004. Direct to home DTS, that television is a method of the receiving satellite television by the means of signals transmitted. Okay, so very important, that is yes. So first DTS हमारा launch हुआ, the first DTH. Yes, very good. So it is all important. ठीक है, it is all important questions. That is direct to home service was started in the year. Okay, चलिए. So you can see is here that the first free DTH service in India that was launched by the public broadcaster Prasar Bharati in the December 2004. Okay, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. The National Disaster Management Authority functions under the Union Ministry of Environment, Water Resource, Home Affairs, Defense. The 4 option is given to you. Please answer. Yes, very good. चलिए, all right. The National Disaster, that is NDMA, functions under the Union Ministry of. Chili, please share this video to the others also, so that others can also be benefited. Okay, yes, so right answer it is yes, absolutely. So Dipanshu, Khushbu, Sridhar, Mohammad Khalid, Manimegla, Gayatri, everybody has answered, that is C, right? Home Affairs, right? So disaster management, that division is the nodal division in the Ministry of Home Affairs, that of the disaster management, right? And that is what here it functions under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Okay, please note it down, this is a very important, that National Disaster Management Authority functions under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Okay, chaliye. The first step of the research is, next question, it is very important from the research area. So answer these questions. The first step of the research is selecting a problem, searching a problem, finding a problem, identifying a problem. Everybody, please जल्दी से बताएंगे. ऐप वाले students do not make mistakes, right? Yes, the GEMC study hub aspirants do not make mistakes. We had discussed all these questions in the classes itself, right? Yes. So first step of the research is identifying a problem. Yes, very good. Meera, Runima, Mani Megla, Gayatri, Khushbu has answered. Pallavi, Vinduza, yes, everybody has answered. Yes, very good, that's the right answer. That is, you will identify the problem in the research. That is the first step. रिसर्च में हमारा पहला कदम ही यही होता है कि हम प्रॉब्लम को पहले आइडेंटिफाई करें, पहचाने कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है, राइट. देन आफ्टर दैट यू विल फर्दर मूव. ओके, चलिए, ऑल राइट. Next, the Indian Institute of Advanced Study is located at. Everybody answer. This is the marathon class that we are conducting. Please share this video link to the others also, so the others can also be benefited. Okay. And meanwhile, please subscribe and like this video as well. Video भी like करते जाइए ताकि हम और लोगों तक भी पहुंच पाएं about the platform. Okay. चलिए. Indian Institute of Advanced Study is located at Dharamshala, Shimla, Slogan, Chandigarh. Everybody answer. Yes, very good. So Meera, Mani Megla has answered, Arunima has answered. Very good, that's the right answer. That is Shimla. Okay, so Indian Institute of Advanced Study is located at Shimla, and you have to also note it down the year as well when it was set up. It was set up in the 1964. Okay, sorry, it was set up in the 1964. Shimla, Indian Institute of Advanced Study. Okay, so it's from the higher education. It's the important questions. ठीक है, चलिए. Without wasting time, we'll move to the other questions. Okay, which one of the following greenhouse gases has the shortest residence time in the atmosphere? Everyone answer. चलिए जल्दी से बताएंगे. चार ऑप्शन आपके पास है. दैट क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मीथेन, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड. इनमें से कौन सा ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस हैं जो सबसे कम समय के लिए एटमॉस्फेयर में रहते हैं? एवरीवन आंसर, जल्दी से. चलिए, यू विल ऑल्सो इवेलुएट योर सेल्फ कि आपने टोटल अभी तक कितने क्वेश्चंस में कितने आपने सही किए, राइट. प्लीज़ स्टार्ट इवेलुएटिंग योर सेल्फ कि कितने क्वेश्चंस आपने सही किए. सो इट्स अ मीथेन. ओके, सो इन सारी ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस में मीथेन एक ऐसा ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस है जिसकी शॉर्टेस्ट रेसिडेंस टाइम है एटमॉस्फेयर के अंदर. And how much is time? So time has also been given about the each and every greenhouse gases, right? You can take the hint from the explanations as well. That carbon dioxide की जो है, जो time है, that is, yes, carbon dioxide की time है, that is 30 to 95 years. Okay, methane, that is, yes, methane, that is 12 years. CFC जो क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन है, that is 45 years. नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड है, राइट, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड है, दैट इज 114 ईयर्स. ओके, 114 ईयर्स. सो यू कैन सी दैट द शॉर्टेस्ट द रेसिडेंस टाइम दैट इज ऑफ द मीथेन विच इज present in the atmosphere. Okay, please note it down. Yes, it's a 12. Khushbu, Meera and Mohammad Khalid has answered. Chaliye, in the series 1, 5, 13, 25, 41, the next term it is what? Everyone answer. This is the revision class. Okay, everyone please go through this all questions, it is important. 1, 5, 13, 25, 41, that what the next term it is? Please answer. Will not take much more time of the 10 to 20 seconds in per questions. Okay, chaliye, everyone, what the right answer? Yes, right answer, it is 61. Okay, very good, very good. So please revise these questions because the only one day it is left, you have to revise it, right? Yes, very good. So you can do it, that you can solve it, that how it is 4, and if you that 8, and then it is again, that is if you would add 12, so you would see that that is multiplication of the 4. In this way if you will solve, you will get the answer, that is 61. Okay, chaliye, next, that is the question that DPI stands for. Everyone, that is DPI stands for what? The options are here. Timer has been started. We have to reply within the 10 seconds. Please share this video to the others also, and please like this video as well. Okay, chaliye, all right, everyone answer. DPI stands for, very good. So right answer it is, that is dots per inch. Okay, very good. It's a measure of the spatial printing quality के लिए हमें DPI बहुत important role play करता है, right? So that is the dots per inch, right? So it is very important. Acronyms or the abbreviations in the ICT. Okay, that is DPI, dots per inch. That option A would be the right answer. Okay, very good. Mohammed Khalid has answered, Dipanshu as well, everyone has answered. Okay, chaliye, a teacher's most important challenge is, everyone answer. 4 options are here given to you. The teacher's most important challenge is, चलिए जल्दी से बताएंगे, रिवाइज कीजिए एवरीवन, प्लीज डू रिवाइज and please share this video link. A teacher's most important challenge is to make teaching learning process enjoyable. Okay, B option is the right. Okay, yes, very good. So that is inculcation approach assumes that a student will take a passive learning role. So here the teachers की सबसे बड़ी challenge हो जाती है, that is how to make the learning enjoyable. Okay, yes. Which is the least important factor in the teaching? Which is the least important factor in the teaching? Everyone answer. जल्दी से बताएंगे. It is very very important. Yes, that is the A answer is right. Very good, very good. A answer is the right, that is punishing the students. Okay, chaliye. So another here, it is information, a combination of graphics, text, sound, video and animation is called what? Everyone answer. It is very easy from the ICT as well. ग्राफिक्स हो, टेक्स्ट हो, साउंड हो, वीडियो हो, एनिमेशंस हो, किसी इन्फॉर्मेशन में उन सबको कंबाइन करेंगे तो क्या बनेगा? एवरीबॉडी क्या कहलाएगा? You can take the hint from the as well. Yes, the picture as well, it is clearly written and it is visible in order to make you to understand more about it, that what the graphics, text, sound and video animations is, right? So that is what get called multimedia. Chaliye, next question here it is, the next term in the series ABEDIHNM is. Everyone answer. जल्दी से बताएंगे what is the right answer of these questions. Everyone. ABEDIHNM. Very important, please answer of these questions. Everyone. AB, ED and IH. Yes, very good, very good. IH and NM, that what will be the right answer? So here the right answer it is, that is A. Okay, so please note it down. The reasoning type question is majorly asked, right? हर बार ये questions इस तरीके questions पूछा जाता है. So कैसे आप आंसर करेंगे? You have to do the practice, right? So if you would go with this all concepts, that you will get the +1 +2, right? So that is, if you look on it, that is here, that E and D it is here as well, +1. I and H also it is +1. NMH, that is also a +1. So that is what here it is. We can say as in that in this also the whatever it will be, right? Whether it is AB, that see here, that DE, that is just opposite, then IH, then it is again here just opposite, then the another would be term, the that is option, that is TS, right? So TS आपका आंसर होगा. How it would be, if you can go with this, that is also the +1, and that is again, that is if you go with this, that is the +2, right? In which way, that is E and H, that you would go, and here that is again here the +3. Okay, so in this way you would get it, the results, that is A, TS. Okay, chaliye. Next here is to where can you view your editing progress in the video software? Options are here, please answer. चलिए जल्दी से आंसर करेंगे. What is the right answer of this question? Everyone. Yes. So that editing progress in the video software, that the right answer it is Yes, very good. That is timeline. Okay. सो एज यू नो द वीडियो एडिटिंग जितने सॉफ्टवेयर्स होते हैं सबकी एक टाइमलाइन की एक इंटरफेस होती है जहाँ पे आपके सारी वीडियोस चाहे ऑडियो चाहे ट्रांजिशंस कट वो एडिट होते हैं. ठीक है. रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम इज सिलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द स्टैंड पॉइंट ऑफ एवरीवन आंसर. The 4 option is given to you. The researcher's interest, financial support, social relevance, availability of the relevant literature. Everyone answer. Very important. Yes. That is what here the research problem is selected from the standpoint of the social relevance. Okay, so that is must. It is whenever you face interview regarding your proposals or the synopsis during the PhD, they must ask you one questions that whatever the topics which you have selected for the research to do, they will ask you that what is the social significance of your studies, right? So that is what your study must be standpoint of the social relevance. How much your study is the social relevant or the significant to the societies. That is the most important thing which you should know it, right? I think everyone is clear. Those who were answering the researcher interest, right, it is more appropriate here. It is the social relevance. It is clear, everyone? Please say. If it is clear, then say yes, it is understood. Definitely, other than the options A, B, C, E, A. राइट. ओके, चलिए अगले क्वेश्चंस पे आते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिस्क्राइब्स इंडिया एज ए सेक्युलर स्टेट? फंडामेंटल राइट्स, डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ द स्टेट पॉलिसी, 5th शेड्यूल, प्रीएम्बल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस. ओके, चलिए. ऑल राइट, एवरीवन आंसर. Please answer. चलिए everyone, so here the timer has been started. Let's describe as India as a secular state. Okay, चलिए बहुत ही important questions है. So right answer it is that is the preamble of the constitutions. Very good. So preamble of the constitution में हमारी सारी चीज़ें mentions है that India is a secular state. Okay, yes. So preamble is the introduction part of the constitution or the introductory of the constitutions. Okay, next the next term in the series, that is 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37 is. Everyone answer. What is the right answer of this question? That options are here: 50, 57, 62, 72. वेरी इजी. चलिए आंसर दीजिएगा. एवरीवन आंसर. चलिए राइट आंसर दैट इज ए, एब्सोल्युटली. सो दैट इज यस. इफ यू डू इट, अगर आप करेंगे इसके आंसर करेंगे, दैट इज 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37, right? That is +3, +5, +7, right? +9, and here the +11, and exactly that is 50. Okay, so in this way the answer will be A. Okay, yes. All right, next question it is here: the National Press Day is celebrated on. Everyone answer. चलिए यस, +13 इज द नेशनल प्रेस डे बताएंगे. एवरीवन आंसर. चलिए वेरी गुड, दैट द राइट आंसर. 16th of November. So National Press Day is celebrated on 16th of November. That is to, why the National Press Day is celebrated? That is to maintain the standards of the journalism that the PCI was established. Okay, that in the 1966, and from then onwards the National Press Day is celebrated. Okay, that to enhance the quality of the reporting and all. Very good. Suganya, that you had answered, that is what the 16th of November. Okay, yes. Photographs are not easy to. Everyone answer. जल्दी से बताएंगे what the right answer of this question is. Very important. Yes. चलिए, so right answer it is here, that is yes, absolutely, that is decode. Decode is the right answer. Photographs are not easy to decode. Okay, C is the right answer, that reflect the code, values, belief, culture of the photographs. So many things are there in the photographs, right, that it is very difficult sometimes for the reporter and for the audience even that to understand the photographs, right. So it is very easy to decode, and who decode the receiver. Okay, chaliye, that next term in the series are, everyone, next term in the series are, and also say the pattern of these questions. Okay, how it will be. चलिए जल्दी से बताएंगे. रीजनिंग में हम ज़्यादा समय नहीं लेंगे बिकॉज इट, यस, 2, 5, 9, 19, 17, sorry 37. Okay, yes. So right answer it is here, C, 75. Who had answered C till then? Yes. So it is very easy, that is 2, 5, 9, 19, 37. If it is, then it will be plus 2, sorry, into 2 plus 1, that is here into 2 minus 1, into 2 plus 1, into 2 minus 1. Similarly, that will be into 2 plus 1, right. So that it would be 75. Okay, so 75 will be the right answer. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which of the following comprise teaching skills? Everyone answer. This is very important. जल्दी से बताएंगे what is the right answer of these questions that comprise teaching skills. Everyone, please like this video and share to everyone. Yes. So right answer it is here, that is yes, D, all the above. So blackboard writing also, questioning also, explaining also, that all here the teaching skills are. Okay, which is important for the teacher. Next, that is 3, 11, 23, 39, 59, that what the next term will be. Okay, so tomorrow is the exam. Will not waste the time to telling you the stories and all, motivating you. So that is what the here we had to revise it as much as we can. Okay, so 3, 11, 23, 39, 59, what the right answer of these questions. Okay, everyone. चलिए जल्दी से आंसर देंगे. Yes. So it is easy, you can do it, and solving by the differences अगर आप add करेंगे then you will get it the results, that is D, right. So that is 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus again that is 12, 11 plus 12 that is 23, and 23 plus again here you will add the 16, that you would 39, and then again here you will add plus 20, then you would get 59, again here that will be plus 24, then definitely is, so in this way it is, right. ध्यान रखिए ये सारे क्वेश्चंस इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. सो 59 और 24 को जोड़ेंगे तो क्या होगा, यस 83 और 93. ओके एवरीवन, 59 and 24, that it would be what, everyone, you all have answered 83 or 93. Yes, and how it would be 93? So simple it is that the next term it would be 83, and you all are answering about that is D, right. D would not be, when it will be 83. Yes. So please look over on this. Sometimes this type of question is asked to you, so never do mistakes. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछा जाता है, तो please, yes, it's 83. So this is the fallacies which you are creating it here, right? Everyone is answering D, so you are also answering D. Okay, चलिए NAC is an autonomous institution under the aegis of. Everyone, NAC is an autonomous institution under the aegis of. चलिए जल्दी से बताएंगे what the right answer of this question is. Yes. So right answer it is here, that is D. NAC, that is yes. National Assessment Accreditation Council is there, that is the autonomous institution under the aegis of UGC University Grants Commissions. Okay, so very important, and it was formed and founded in the year that is 1994. ठीक है, please note it down. This is all here important. चलिए, so what here it is ICSSR, that is Indian Council of Social Science Research, CSIR, that is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, AICTE, that is All India Council of Technical Education, UGC is that University Grants Commissions. Okay, so please along with the years you have to also note it down, right? चलिए next, that is dioxins are produced from. Everybody answer. जल्दी से बताएंगे what is the right answer of this question is. Dioxins are produced from. Everyone answer. Anybody would say that how many questions that till now we had covered? हमने कितना questions कर लिए हैं? चलिए, so that right answer it is dioxins are produced from here, that combustions of the plastics. Okay, so when you burn anything, that when you come that is about whenever this type of question is dioxins कभी आता है, that definitely it is combustions. Okay, please note it down, that is combustion. So dioxins are the group of the highly toxic chemicals, that compound that are harmful to the health, and they can cause the problems with the reproduction, development and the immune systems. Okay, and they disrupt the hormones that lead to the cancer. Okay, so it produces from the combustions, when you burn anything, that it would produce the dioxins. Okay, chaliye, in the ages of the 4 Vedas, the students were admitted to the Vedic schools after the performance of which ceremony among the following? Everyone answer. Chaliye, okay, Pallavi saying that 22 questions that till now we had covered. And what about the others? It is 22 questions. You will also evaluate yourself, right? आप अपने को आप evaluate करेंगे कितना questions आपने सही किया है. चलिए जल्दी से आंसर देंगे. Yes, very good. That is the right answer. In the age of the 4 Vedas, the students were admitted to the Vedic schools after the performance of the Upananya ceremony. Okay, so Upanya ceremony, that here, that during the Upanya ceremony, what were happening? So the students would receive a sacred thread, that also known as 𝗀𝗃𝗃, and which was worn across the left shoulder and under the right arm. Right, this thread was considered as a symbol of the students' commitment to the learning, discipline and pursuit of the knowledge. Not even only that, after that Upananya ceremony, the students would be admitted to the Vedic school known as Gurukul, where he would reside with the guru teacher and other student. The guru would impart the knowledges about the Vedics, okay, and Vedas. So that is what in related with the rituals, philosophy and the other important aspects of the life they were used to teach after the Upananya ceremony. So here the in Upananya ceremony it was being started, okay, where the students were receiving whether that the one across the left shoulder and the under the right arm, that is basically is known as 𝗀𝗃𝗃. Okay, next, that is what the social media optimizations it is. Everyone answer. What the right answer of these questions? Everyone. जल्दी से बताएंगे what the right answer of these questions. What is the social media optimization, that is SMO? SMO क्या होता है? चलिए, yes, creating content with easily creates publicity via the social networks, that is what the ASMO. ओके, चलिए सोशल मीडिया पे काम करते हैं, क्रिएट कंटेंट क्रिएट करते हैं और उसको हम क्या करते हैं, दैट इट वुड रीच टू द लार्ज, इट वुड रीच टू द masses of the, yes, very good. Everybody had answered, only Mohammed Khalid, you are saying that creating short social media content with is easily indexed. It is not. So it is about the publicity also, that it must be the publicity via the social network, that is organic or inorganic, that is creating a content with the SMO, right? The hashtags, the headlines, the thumbnail, the each and everything would be optimized over the social when you share anything on the social media, because that is also a platform which creating an online presence and disseminating the information to the masses. Okay, next it is here, the computer program that translates a program statement by the statement to the machine language is called. Everyone answer, जल्दी से बताएंगे what the right answer of this question sir. चलिए, yes, that is the interpreter. Okay, interpreter is the right answer. D is the right answer. Yes, interpreter directly executes the instruction written in program by the scripting language, that is statement by the statement. Okay, so always understood, when it is a statement by the statement then it is called interpreter. When it is by the entire program, ठीक है, एक बार में जो है that convert it, right? This program is by the statement by statement, and another it is about to convert at the entire thing in a one, so that is the compiler. ठीक है, एक बार में convert करता है, and that is it is converting statement by statement. Now here the inserting the missing number in the following. Next question it is about 3, 8, 18, 23, 33, 48. Everyone answer. चलिए जल्दी से बताएंगे what the right answer. Everyone, yes, very easy, that is 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10 and plus 5, that is 38, right? So 38 would be the right answer, that is yes. Palvi, you are saying 37, how it would be 37? It is 33 plus 5, that is 38. Okay, right answer it is here, that the classroom communication is normally considered as. Options are here. Everyone answer. जल्दी से बताएंगे what the right answer of this question is. Classroom communication is normally considered as. Options are effective, cognitive, affective, selective. Yes, very good. That the right answer, that is classroom communication is normally considered as cognitive. Okay, we had discussed this question in the classes as well, that it is cognitive. So cognitism is a prevalent in our classroom today's, that is it helps in the understanding of the students, that what he is thinking, what he is remembering, what he is learning, right? So we can understand their mental activity as well. So that is what here it is, classroom communication is normally considered as an cognitive. Okay, please note it down, this is very very important. Computers on an internet are identified by. Everyone answer. जल्दी से बताएंगे what is the right answer of this question says. Everyone answer. Please share this video link to the others also. अपने friends के साथ share कर दीजिए. Computers on an internet are identified by. Yes, that is IP address, right? Very good, that is internet protocol. So जो भी हमारा कंप्यूटर होता है वो इंटरनेट पे अगर आप हैं लाइव है, इंटरनेट कनेक्टेड है, so definitely it will be identified that which computer are using and from where you are using, right? It helps in location addressing and also to identify the computer as well. Okay, चलिए, So that is what the right answer, that is IP address. चलिए, which of the following sampling method is appropriate to study the prevalence of the AIDS amongst the male and female in India 1976, 86, 1996 and 2006? जल्दी से बताएंगे what is the right answer of this question says. Yes, evaluate yourself. आप अपने आप को evaluate भी करते जाएंगे that what how much you are answering the questions. Everyone. Please answer yes. Very good. That's the right answer. It is here. Very good. That is systematic sampling. Okay, Arunoma, it is the systematic sampling. See here, the what the systematic sampling, that is nth number. Nth number, that is here. That is, if you would see that differences are here, that is 10, 10, and here it is also. So that is what it has been taken the years as in systematic sampling. So after 10 years, so that is the difference of the years which has been taken as in sampling in order to study about the AIDS amongst the male and female in India, that is 76, 86 and 1996 and 2006, which is the difference of the 10, which can be understood as in systematic sampling. ये हमारा कौन सा sampling है? Systematic sampling है, right? Which basically the method which involves the selection of the elements from the ordered sampling frame. Chaliye, all right. Next, that we will move towards to understand that here the find the wrong number in the sequence. जल्दी से बताएंगे find the wrong number in the sequence. Everybody, find the wrong number in the sequence. Yes. So right answer it is here, that is, if you go with, that is +2, that is +3, that is again here +5, then it is +7, then it is then it would be here +9. Okay. Yes. So when you will add +9, so here 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. If it is done, डेफिनेटली अगर ये दो तरीके हो सकते हैं, या तो इवन ऑड होगा या तो प्राइम नंबर होगा, राइट? यस, ऑड या प्राइम नंबर. सो इन दिस वे यू वुड हैव टू फाइंड आउट, राइट? सो व्हाट वुड बी द आंसर? यस, इफ यू लुक ऑन इट you will get the answer of this questions, that is yes. So please, meanwhile, you please answer, just a minute. From the universities, NET universities is the LPU universities. Yeah, 64,000. Yes. So it is very near to us also. So definitely I was looking out if I would relocate here. So definitely it would be much more convenient. Yes. Please take time, sir. No worry. You can take a time that you can. Sir, I am working as a guest faculty in the Mantra University right now. Yes. Because this session is the new one, so I was applying in some other also. Yes, I am the Gopal. Yes, that is nearly it is the Gwalior and it is the Chandigarh, right? LPU is in Chandigarh, yes. Definitely, sir, definitely. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, sorry for the disturbance here. Okay, so here the right answer would be that is D. Okay, chaliye. So in Indian government targets for the producing power from the biomass by the year 2022 is, everyone please say. Chaliye, everyone answer. What is the right answer of this question? Indian government target for the producing power from the biomass by the year. Yes, that is 10 gigawatt. Okay, so if you would look on it, the explanations as well, it is written here that is hydropower ka, that is total, it was 175 gigawatt for the renewable energy. Okay, and in total it is divided further, that is 100 gigawatt for the solar energy. Okay, and that is another, that is 60 gigawatt for the wind energy. Okay, 10 gigawatt for the biomass, 5 gigawatt it is about the hydro power. Okay, so this is, if you would add it, that you will get the 175 gigawatt for the renewable energy. Okay, so that is what the right answer, that is here it has been asked to you about biomass. See, biomass के आपको पूछा है, so that the right answer is 10 gigawatt. If it is asked about the hydropower, that is 5 gigawatt. If it is asked about the wind, that is 60 gigawatt. If it is asked about the solar, then it is 100 gigawatt. Please remember this all allocations of the renewable energies. Now answer it the questions, that is assertion it is given, reason it is given. All teaching should aim at ensuring learning. Reason, that is all learning results from the teaching. Choose the correct answer from the following code. So options are here, that is both A and R true, and R is the correct explanations and all. Okay, everybody answer. जल्दी से बताएंगे what the right answer of this questions it is. Very important questions about the assertion and reason. चलिए, very good, that the right answer it is C. Absolutely, that is A is always be true, that is all teaching should aim at ensuring learning. जो भी teaching का जो aim होता है, that is what it's about, the ensuring the learning. But all the learning results from the teaching, it is not necessary, right? Some from the experiences, real life experiences, some from the practical, that is it is learning. Okay, but it is not always from the teaching as itself, that is A will be the true, but R will be the false. So hence we can say that C is the right answer. Chaliye, next it is which one of the following can be termed as in verbal communications? Everybody answer. चलिए, क्या है right answer? Which one of the following can be termed as verbal communication? Yes, so right answer it is absolutely, that is A. Professor Sharma delivered the lecture in the classroom. Okay, Professor Sharma delivered the lecture in the classroom, that is A here, that is termed as in verbal communication. Okay, chaliye, water is always involved with the landslide. This is because it, options are here. Everybody, water is always involved with the landslides. This is because what is the reason behind the landslides? That one, it is given here, the water is always involved with the landslides, and this is because why? Everybody, क्यों? Yes, very good, that it is about increasing the weight of the overburden. That would be the right answer. Very good, that when water will be involved with the landslide, definitely it will increase the weight of the overburden it will be, and that is only with the cause of the landslides. So it is the movement of the rock, earth and debris down a sloped section of the land. Landslides are caused by the rain, earthquakes, volcanoes and the other factors that make the slope unstable. Okay, so it is important, you can see in the picture as well. Chaliye, Next, that is an email address is composed of. Everyone answer. Email address that is composed of what? Please जल्दी से बताएंगे. This is the live marathon class that we are conducting. Okay, so lot of the questions are being discussed here. So you will learn across the ICT research, logical reasoning, teaching aptitude, Indian polity, environment, communications, each and everything. Okay, so valid email address, that is here address composed of the two parts, right? हमारी जो email ID होती है that is abc@gmail.com. that is what here it is. One, it is username, this is called the username, and this is called the domain name. ये हमारा क्या होता है? domain name. Okay, please note it down. चलिए, so that is two parts. Okay, next, that is value education stands for. Options are here: making a student to get a job, making a student healthy, inculcation of the virtues, and the all-round development of the personality. Very careful while answering these questions. This is about the value educations, what you understand by the value educations. Yes, प्लीज़ आंसर, एंड प्लीज़ आप लोग अपने आप को इवेलुएट भी करें कितने आंसर्स आपने दिए अब तक. प्लीज़ इवेलुएट योर सेल्फ. Yes, the teacher inculcated in her students about the importance of the good study habits, right? Very good, everybody has answered C. C is the right answer, that is inculcation of the virtues, right? That is what enhancing the quality of the students, that is what the value education's aim. ठीक है, वैल्यू एजुकेशन का एम क्या होता है? दैट इज वर्च्यूज़ का मतलब होता है गुड क्वालिटी, सद्गुण जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं. ठीक है, दैट इज़ व्हाट द इनकलकेशंस दैट यू वुड एनहांस द क्वालिटी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट? कौन सा इसमें से करेक्ट नहीं है? ऑप्शंस आर हियर, एवरीवन आंसर. चलिए जल्दी से बताएंगे व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर. चलिए जल्दी से बताएंगे व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट? It's about the lecture method. Yes, so answer it is here, that is A. Okay, A is not correct, right? It is not correct. It means the answer will be this, and that is what lecture method can develop knowledge. Yes, it is a one-way process. It is passive, right? Where that is, we can say as in lecture method is the teacher centric. It is not the student centric. It is teacher centric. So teacher used to communicate in one way, that is, so lecture method can be method that cannot develop reasoning, but it is a reasoning, it one way process, and it is a teacher centric method. Okay, chaliye. So next, it is two numbers are in the ratio 3:5. If 9 is subtracted from the numbers, the ratio becomes 12:23. That numbers are, everybody, this is from the ratio proportions. Please answer what is the right answer of this question from the mathematics. Everyone answer. जल्दी से बताएंगे. द लॉट ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट्स विच वी विल लर्न फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द वेरियस यूनिट्स. हम सारी यूनिट से क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं और आपका ये फ़ायदा होगा दैट वी आर लर्निंग द मैथमेटिक्स ऑल्सो, टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड ऑल्सो, रिसर्च ऑल्सो, कम्युनिकेशन ऑल्सो, इंडियन पॉलिटी एंड एज वेल एज द इन्वायरमेंट. सो very good. So how you will do it? It is very easy. Whenever the ratio it is given, just involve the x in the ratio, right? So that is, we can write it as 3x is to 5x लिख सकते हैं. एंड इफ इट इज़ 9 इज सब्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम बोथ द नंबर्स, राइट? सो 3x minus 9, because 9 is here subtracted, and that is 5x minus 9. So what it becomes? 12:23. We can write it here 12:23. Now do this cross multiplication. Cross multiplications करेंगे, that it will be equations like 60x and that is 108, and that is here 69x, and that is 9 3 ja 23 into 9, that is 9 3 ja 27 2, and 9 2 ja 18 to 207. Okay, so it is 207. So when you will do these calculations from the LHS to the RHS, okay, you will get the answer, that is 33 and 55. Okay, so in this way you will answer it. So you can do it, that what it will be. So 6, that is 1 minus 108 plus 207, and that is, it will be 69 minus 60, it will be 9x. Okay, so what will be the after the subtraction, that how much it will be? 108 subtract कीजिए, that is 1789, you will get it, and that is what, yes, again 9, and that is it would be. So 99 it is here by 9, that is you will get the value that is 11. Okay, yes. So in this way you will get the answers. So 11 is here, so 11 it is about, then you have 3x and 5x, so you will put the value of the x, that you will get the 3 into 11, that is 33, and 5 into 11, that is 55. So 33 and 55 would be the answer, that is the C. So hope you have understood these questions. It is very important to go for the ratio questions. Okay, चलिए, hope you have learned these concepts about that, how to solve this type of questions, right? It is very, you have to go accordingly the questions. आप questions के अनुसार आप जाएंगे तो आपके सारे questions solve हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. Now next question, it is about the reasoning again, that in the series 1, 6, 15, 28, 45 it is given. Now next term will be what? चलिए जल्दी से बताएंगे what is the right answer. Yes, very good. Meera Mondal has explained each and everything, that is 11, 11 to 3, 11 to 5 and all. Okay, very good. So what the right answer of this questions? Reasoning बताइएगा everyone. Everyone please answer. Yes, so right answer is here, that is 66, right? So if you would solve it, you will get the answers. How you will get the answers? That is yes. चलिए, so reasoning को हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. ठीक है, you can do this process, right? Right, similarly if you would add it, that how much it will be, plus 15 plus 10, 25 plus 13, right? So that is, if you would note it, that 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, again here that is 13 plus 4, that is would be 17 plus 17, so you will get 45. Similarly you have to do it with the plus 4, that is 21. So 45 and 21, if you add it, you will get it 516, that is 76. Okay, yes, 66, sorry, 66, that is D. Okay, so D will be the answer. Okay, so if you do mistakes, अगर आप थोड़ा सा भी mistake करेंगे, then answer it is also given here, right? So please be careful. If you would do little mistakes also, you would get the options also. ठीक है, so do not do mistakes. चलिए, WWW stands for, everyone answer. Chali, very good. That the right answer, that is WWW, that is what WWW stands for, World Wide Web. Okay, it is a combination of the all resources, very good, and the users on the internet, and that is about the Tim Berners-Lee invented this WWW in the 1989. Okay, so who is the inventor of the WWW, World Wide Web? That is Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, chaliye. Now another, it is about the natural disaster. As you can see in the picture, that Lahar is a natural disaster involving what? So options are here. Please go through the options and give me the appropriate one. Okay, everyone answer. Yes, बिल्कुल भी हड़बड़ी नहीं करना है, आराम से आंसर देना है. ठीक है, लहर इज अ नेचुरल डिजास्टर इन्वॉल्विंग व्हाट? Very good. So right answer of this question is, that is A, eruption of the large amount of the material. Okay, so lahar is a natural disaster that is closely related to the volcanic eruptions, right? And involves a large amount of the materials, that is mud. Here you can see in the picture, that is the कीचड़ भी है, पहाड़ों के टुकड़े भी हैं, that ash भी है. That is what it's about. The all kind of the materials is included in it, and that is we say that large amount of the material, that is eruptions. It is very similar as closely related to the volcanic eruptions. Okay, चलिए, and it is a very dangerous that it can destroy the whole towns and as also the kills thousands of the people. Okay, so it's a natural disaster that involving the eruptions of the large amount of materials. Now here the Newton gave the three basic laws of the motions. as we know, the research is categorized as किस तरीके का इसको आप research बोलेंगे. Everyone, this is the example which is given to you, and what could be the answer of these questions? Everybody, चलिए जल्दी से आंसर देंगे. So right answer it is, that is C. Yes, absolutely, that is fundamental research. You will consider it as a fundamental research because here you are deriving some new theories, that is Newton theory. Okay, and that is what here the Newton, that basic laws of the motion, it is another kind of the approach which has been taken, which is called as a scientific approach. The new kind of the phenomena has been observed. Okay, so that is what it's about, the fundamental research, where we're deriving some kind of the theories or the working on some principles or some laws. Okay, chaliye next it is the missing number in the series are. Everyone answer, it is very important. Go with these questions, that is 0, 6, 24, 60, 120, 30, 336. What the missing number here called? We had discussed this question in the last classes also. On the applications we had covered these all questions. Okay, चलिए जल्दी से बताएंगे what the right answer of this questions is. Yes, absolutely. So how you would do it? So that if you will multiply by 0 into 1 into 2, right, what will be the 0, right? Again if you do 1 into 2, that is 3, another 2 will be, it will be taken it here, right? So that is what here you have taken. Okay, 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6. Again that is 2 into 3 that you are taking it here, this one last 2 into 3 into 4, so that would be 24. Okay, similarly that is 3 into 4 into 5, then it would be 60. Then similarly that is 4 into 5 into 6, that it will be what, 120. And the last that you will get the answers, that is 5 into 6 into 7, that is 210. Okay, so that is what here the right answer. Chaliye next, the International Computer Security Day is observed on. Everybody answer. ABCD options are given to you. Please answer this. What is the right answer of this question says. Yes, very good. That is the 30th of November. Okay, so Computer Security Day on the 30th of November reminds us to protect our computers every day, and computers become faster and more advanced. Okay, that is what the 30th of November is the right answer. That is of the questions International Computer Security Day. Okay, very good. So that is be smart and be safe. Okay, chaliye next, as chairman of the Independent Commission on Education, Jacques Delors to report to the UNESCO was titled. चलिए जल्दी से बताएंगे what is the right answer of these questions. Jacques Delors report to the UNESCO was titled what, as a chairman of the Independent Commission on the Education. Please answer. Everyone. Yes, so right answer of this question it is, that is C, learning the treasure within. Okay, so C is the right, the title it is, that is learning the treasure within. So treasure within 1996 was specifically prepared for the UNESCO by an independent commission that chaired by the Jacques Delors and composed of the 15 personalities from the various backgrounds. That was the report descriptions which is about, and the title it is about the treasures within. Okay, learning the treasures within, and it was an education commission which is an independent commission and chaired by the Jacques Delors. Okay, and composed of the 15 personalities from the various grounds. Okay, very important report it is, right? Chale, next it is DBMS, that is database management system, is composed of the tables that are made up of rows and that columns called what. Everyone answer. जल्दी से बताएंगे what is the right answer of this question is. everyone, what the rows called, what the columns called? No, do not do mistake, do not do mistake. Everyone is making mistake. It is not the A field and records, it is the record and fields. Okay, as we had discussed also, that is R for records and column that is called fields. ठीक है, so answer it is here C. Please note it down. Okay, it is clear to everyone? Very good. This is very important questions about the DBMS, that is database management system. बहुत important questions है. So generally people do mistakes in the answering that field records and records fields. So how you can remember? R से rows और R से records. Okay, इस तरीके से आपको याद करना होगा. You can remember in this way and you will never do mistakes. Okay, Khushbu, it is clear. Dipanshu has also done mistakes as well as the Kavita also. Mani Megla, it is clear. Chali, next that we will go into the understanding of the next questions. That is, you can see in the picture as well, it is written it here. Let's see, the records called rows and the fields called columns. Okay, in this way the data the DBMS work. इस तरीके से काम करती है data that is in the rows and columns. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. That is the next question. It is about association regions. So association is given new media has a negative impact on the writing skills of the new generations. Okay, and the reason it is given new media has altered the art of writing. So options are here given to you. Please look over on the options and as well as the questions. Very important. कोई बात नहीं दीपांशु, sometimes it happens, so please be careful while answering the questions. Okay, new media has a negative impact on the writing skills of the new generations because of the social media, because of the Instagram reels. So definitely it is a negative impact. We are very truly about it, this statement. Now next it is about the region. New media has altered the art of writing. Yes, this is also true, but we cannot say this is the correct explanations of A. Okay, yes, so hence we can say that the answer is B. Both A and true. It is also true, it is also true, but R is not the correct explanations. Okay, chali. Next, who is the author of the book Pen as My Sword? You can see the pictures also and we can answer. Very easy to answer because the picture is given to you. So picture will not be given to you in the exam. Exam में आपको picture नहीं दिया जाएगा, ठीक है? Because we had added this picture to in order to memorize. Okay, ताकि आप अच्छे से याद कर पाएँ. आप किताबों में पेन को देखें और पेन के पास के रामा राव को देखें और आंसर कीजिए, ठीक है? ताकि आप अच्छे से विजुलाइज कर पाएँ और आपको बहुत दिनों तक याद रहे. ठीक है, so yes, so this is what it about the book that is Pen as My Sword. कलम ही हमारी हथियार है और that is what it is written by the K. Rama Rao. Now next question, it is about the fundamental research. We had discussed about the Newton. हमने प्रिंसिपल वाला एग्जाम्पल लेके हमने बताया कि फंडामेंटल रिसर्च इसको कहते हैं. नाउ हेयर द कंसेप्ट इट इज अबाउट द फंडामेंटल रिसर्च रिफ्लेक्ट्स द एबिलिटी टू. चलिए जल्दी से बताएंगे. वी हैड डिस्कस दिस क्वेश्चंस when we are discussing about the Newton give principles and which kind of the theory it is. So everyone please answer. जल्दी से बताएंगे. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है और इट इज़ अबाउट द टाइप ऑफ द रिसर्च. टाइप ऑफ द रिसर्च आपका इससे क्लियर हो जाएगा, ठीक है? चलिए, दिस इज व्हाट इट्स अबाउट. बी, expound new principle. Okay, not it is about the synthesize the new ideals, it is about the expound new principle. Okay, Dipanshu has answered, Meera Mandala has answered, very good, Kavita has answered. That is what it's about, the expounding the new principles. So we had told you about the fundamental research that work on the theory, work on phenomena, or you can say the process. Okay, the principle, concept, root. Okay, this is what models. So this is what it's about, the fundamental research they work on. Mainly the scientists are they do the scientific research. So please go over on this fundamental research that reflects ability to the expound the new principles. ठीक है, चलिए. Okay, and one more thing that related to ask, I asked you, that is with it is inductive or deductive. Everyone, In the nature, if you go on that, what the nature of the fundamental research is? Fundamental research का nature क्या होता है? Inductive होता है या फिर deductive होता है? Everyone जल्दी से बताएंगे which one is the more appropriate as the nature of the fundamental research? It is inductive or the deductive? It is inductive. Very good. That is, it is inductive, which you are working on the principles, theories, phenomena, model, observance, and yes, so it will be conductive, right? So please note it down. It is conductive. It is not deductive. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now what is a blog here? Blog क्या होता है? Everyone answer. Online music intranet, a personal or the corporate website in the form of online journal or personal or corporate Google search. Everyone answer. खुशबू, it is not deductive, it is inductive. चलिए, everyone answer. How many questions we had covered yet? Everyone, can anybody would say? If anybody is counting, then please tell. What is the blog here? Yes, so right answer, it is the personal or the corporate website in the form of an online journal is the right answer. Yes, everybody has given. That is what kind of the, it is a kind of the website that is a personal or corporate website in the form of online journal. Okay, very good. So right answer, it is C. So now in a here important question, that is, in a certain code PAN is written as 31, PAR as 35. In this code PAT is written as. Everybody, what is the right answer of this question? चलिए जल्दी से बताएंगे what is the right answer. Yes, I hope this question come in the exam. Yes, सारी questions जो है लगभग आपके एग्जाम में पूछे गए हैं questions हैं. So please, in order to understand the pattern also and also to go over on the questions, right, आपकी ताकि practice हो जाए, थोड़ा आप काम कर पाओ. ठीक है. Yes, चलिए. So ये अल्फ़ाबेट की पोजिशनिंग है, उसी तरीके से नंबर है. That is what it is. If you go with the, yes, if you go with the, that is what the alphabet positions of the P. P का क्या positions है everybody? That is, you know that M is upon 13, right? N it is 14, O is 15, P is 16, right? So that is, in this way you have to remember. So P is here 16, A is here 1, and that is N is here, that is 14. So if you would add it here, that you will get 31. Okay, 16 plus 14 plus 1, 31. Similarly here it is also, that is P is on 16, A is on 1, and that is R, that is Q is here 17, and R is here 18. So that is 18. If you would add it, you will get it, that is 35. Okay, similarly you have to add it P, 80. So P is on 16 plus 1 plus 20. So how much you would, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 6, 36, and 37. So you would say 37 is the right answer. ठीक है. चलिए, Who is the chairman of the नीति आयोग? नीति आयोग का चेयरमैन कौन होता है everyone? Who is the chairman of the नीति आयोग? Everyone answer. चलिए, so timer will start here. No, it's Akash, your answer is wrong here. What is the right answer? Yes, very good, that is Prime Minister. Gayatri, it is not the President. नीति आयोग की चेयरमैन जो होते हैं, that is Prime Minister. Okay, so right answer it is here, that is C. Okay, very good. चलिए, Prime Minister of India is the chairman of the नीति आयोग. It is the primary policy think tank of the government of India which provides the both directional and the policy inputs. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which of the following learner characteristics is highly related to the effectiveness of the teaching? Sorry, everyone do not cheat. Everyone please answer. Which of the following learners characteristics is highly related to the effectiveness of teaching? जल्दी से बताएंगे व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर. Yes, very good. So right answer it is that absolutely A. So learner characteristics is highly related to the effectiveness of teaching, that is prior experience of the learner. Okay, it is not about the educational status, it is not about the peer groups, it is not about the family size, it is the prior experiences of the learners. Okay, so how much learner has learned, right? Like for an example, Dipanshu, if you had learned about that the teaching skills or any topic, अगर कोई भी topics आप अगर आपने पढ़ा है, right? If you have learned any, like the Aristotle model you have already learned before coming to the classes, if I would start teaching you about the models, then definitely you would learn, because you have already learned and you have taken the experiences of the books, and from various sources you have already gone through the models, so you will understand much better. And that is what it is about, that the learner characteristics, it is that when the learner will understand about the experiences or the knowledges about the topics in early, right? So that it will help in understanding a much more. Okay, so that is what it's about, the prior experience of the learner. Now value education makes a student, it is clear Dipanshu? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. वैल्यू एजुकेशन मेक्स अ स्टूडेंट गुड सिटीजन, सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन, पॉपुलर टीचर, एफिशिएंट मैनेजर. चलिए बताइए. वैल्यू एजुकेशन मेक्स अ गुड student and good citizen. Okay, very good. A is the right answer. So value education से जब भी कुछ आएगा, that is about the quality. Okay, that is about the virtue, that is about the good citizen. Okay, so that is what it's about. The value education makes a student, that about all about the personality development, all about the all-round development, all about the good citizen. So it is more appropriate here, it is the good citizen. Okay, information communication technology, ICT, includes what? So options are given to you, please choose the appropriate one. ICT includes what? ICT includes what? And please everyone tell me the score, that how much you had answered. Everyone, how many questions, and that is how many. So everyone please, if it is asked like you have done the 60 questions, so please tell me that like I have completed 55 upon 60. So in this way please tell your scores, that how much you had covered and how much it was correct. Please everyone, that I would understand that yes, definitely you are going in the right way. So online learning, the learning through the use of educate web-based learning, that the all are here the ICTs. It is about, so that we are conducting the classes live, that is the online learning, it is also ICT. Learning through the educate, that is educational satellite, right, over on the televisions that we see go across the many of the channels, that is also a ICT. Web-based learning, that is online learning over on the YouTube, over on the website, that is also a ICT. Okay, so D would be the right answer. Chale, Dipanshu saying 95%, Meera is saying 1 wrong. What about the others? The function of mass communication of supplying information regarding the process, issues, events and societal development is known as. Okay, Kavita is saying late class join किया, कोई बात नहीं, but what the percentage of the accuracy, कितना सही हो रहा है कितना गलत हो रहा है, percentage में आप बता सकते हो. Okay, so far 3 wrong. So D is the right answer, that is correlations. Okay, so correlation is the right answer, that is correlation functions of the mass communication is important, because the media can help to maintain the social stability, right? So it is about the correlations, that means supplying information regarding the process, use, event and societal development. It is, so that is social stabilities that maintaining by the media, and that is what it's, we can say that it is a correlations. Okay, that is the one of the functions of the mass communications. Okay, very good. Next that is 125, 127, 130, 135, 142. चलिए wrong number wrong number बताएंगे what the here correct options is. चलिए ये क्वेश्चंस हम कर चुके हैं, that we had done these questions, we had already covered these questions. Okay, चलिए that is the D 165 is the right answer. चलिए, so you can see as in the explanations it is written as well. चलिए next that is here, if you would see that how many pairs of the successive numbers have a difference of the 2 each. So options are here. Everyone please say what is the right answer of this question. So you can look on it and answer it. जल्दी से बताएंगे what is the right answer. Yes. How many pairs of the successive numbers have a difference of 2 each? Do not cheat. If you have seen the answer, you have to also look over on the options as well. Chaliye. So yes, very good. So here it is about that pairs of the successive numbers and having the difference of 2 each. Okay, so that you have to know it, note it down, that the two numbers that would be, and that would be differences of the 2, right? So if you would count it and calculate it, you would get the results, that is 6. Okay, so everyone, yes. Chaliye, so like here you would see that that is 8 and 6, that is 180, right? Similarly, that is the different successive numbers, means that is the pair of the two continuous numbers that you have to look on, right? That is 186 4, right? That is again here 28. Then it is again here if you would look at the differences, sorry, 28 it is not. That is again here, that is 4 2. Okay. Then again here it is 5 3. Again here it is 8 6. Okay. In this way you have to, this is 3 5. So that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. I think this is the thing that you would get it, that is 6 4. Okay, 4 2, 5 3 and 8 6. Then again here 3 5 and that is 8 6. Okay, so you would see that number, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that would be the right answer, that is 6. Okay, chaliye next it is about everyone collection of the information in advance before designing communication strategy is known as. चलिए बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, जल्दी से बताएंगे. Everyone answer. चलिए okay, so right answer it is here, that is very good, that is opinion poll. Okay, opinion poll, it is as in the image also it is written, that is it helps in designing the communication strategies. Okay, when you collect the information from the respondents, right, that is what it helps in designing the communication strategy, it is known as opinion poll. Next it is the definition put forward to resolve a dispute by the influencing attitudes or the steering emotion is called. Everyone please look over on these definitions, it is very important, which we had discussed in the applications, on the applications also. Please note it down, this is very important. So the various definitions which we had learned and gone through, ये सारी चीज़ें हमने पढ़ा हुआ है, that is very important. Please look on it, it is very important. चलिए, so right answer it is here, that is absolutely, that is B. Everyone, what is the right answer of this question? It is yes. We had discussed these questions on the applications as well, and on the video also, the many of the videos are uploaded related to it. You can look over on it, that what that various types of the definitions are there. Okay, same सारे questions हम discuss कर चुके हैं. It is not we will be discussing each and every definitions here, so you have to note it down, that is the persuasive definitions when it is put forward to resolve a dispute by the influencing the attitudes, right? That is whenever this word it would be taken as an influencing, that considered as an persuasive. Okay, persuasive. Okay, lexical definitions, that is about the dictionary definitions. Okay, dictionary definitions. Whatever the dictionary, in the dictionary it is given there, that is what we call as in dictionary definitions. Okay, please look on it, each and every definition, it is important, you have to look on it. बहुत ही ज़्यादा important है definitions के लिए, because questions are asked related to it, so go with this all. Okay, चलिए, will not waste time here in understanding each and every definitions. Next, that is, which of the following statement is not true in the context of the participatory research? Everyone answer. जल्दी से बताएंगे, which of the following statement is not true in the context of the participatory research? चलिए, please share this link. This is the marathon class that we are conducting here for the paper 1. Lot of the questions are here. Okay, so yes, so right answer it is here, absolutely, that is not true, it is asked to you, right? यहाँ क्या पूछा गया? Not true पूछा गया, that is in context of the participatory research. So here it is about, it recognizes knowledge is power, right? It emphasis on the people as experts. Okay, very good, that is the experts, you will take it. And so collective process of the inquiries as well. So it is the sole process of the production of the knowledge, it is not the sole purpose, right? It would not be. So that is what it is here. The D options would be much more appropriate, which statement is not true in the context of the participatory research. So participatory research is all the three characteristics it is here given. You can note it down about the participatory research, which is basically comprising a range of the mathematical approaches and the techniques, which is objective of the handing power from the researchers to researcher participants. Okay, where the community members are involved. Now look over on the Venn diagrams and please answer. Venn diagram के ऊपर देखेंगे, and question it is here, question is given to you, that is, if you want to select persons who do not know English or not teachers, which one is the reason to be selected? Persons, teachers. चलिए, very good, that is what the right answer it is, A, absolutely. So G is the right answer. If you go with the Venn diagram, you to solve that, you want to select the persons who do not know English नहीं जानते हैं, and who are not teachers even. So teachers आपको involve नहीं करना है, that teachers would not be involved, so those who are teachers would not be get involved, right? Similarly, it is about that who do not know English, so English भी, that is it not be. So आप इधर calculate करेंगे, that it would be, so that would be only it is left, that is G. Okay, so that G will be the right answer. Next, that is, who has been honored with the 68th Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Everyone answer. चलिए, जल्दी से बताएंगे, what is the right answer of this question? प्लीज़ लाइक दिस वीडियो if you have not liked it till now. अगर आपने अभी तक वीडियोस को लाइक नहीं किया, शेयर नहीं किया, प्लीज़ शेयर दिस लिंक to the others also, so that others can also be benefited. चलिए, जल्दी से बताएंगे what is the right answer. Very good. So it is not the Rajnikant. Yes, it's the right answer, that is Asha Parekh. Okay, so Asha Parekh has been honored with the 68th Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Okay, please note it down, this is very, very important. So Rajnikant won the Dada Saheb Phalke in 2019 and got awarded in 2021, but whereas Asha Parekh won this award in 2020 but will receive in the it received in 2020 due to the COVID pandemic. So Asha Parekh that had been honored with the 68th Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Okay, please note it down. It is clear, everyone who has answered A. Meera, it is clear to you, as well as Mani Meghlai. Chali, you all have answered. Yes, very good, that is A. Chinese Cultural Revolution leader Mao Zedong used a type of the communication to talk to the masses is known as. Everyone answer. जल्दी से बताएंगे what is the right answer of this question. So it is Chinese Cultural Revolution leader Mao Zedong used a type of the communication to talk to the masses. Yes, very good. So that is the mass line communication. Okay. So Mao Zedong, the leader that Chinese cultural revolutions, which used a mass line communication in order to talk to the masses, right? So that is in order to disseminate the information to the masses, talk to the masses, this mass line communications was developed, right? Which basically a type of the communications which the cultural revolution leader that Mao Zedong has used these methods or the types. Okay, chaliye, this is mainly used in the politics and as well as that in order to when you talk to the masses. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Effective communication needs a supportive. Options are here: economic, political environment, social environment, multicultural environment. चलिए जल्दी से बताएंगे what the right answer of this question is. Effective communication needs a supportive. Yes, very good. So effective communication needs a supportive social environment, right? Very good. So environment on the context which communication takes place has an impact on the communication behavior. So a lot of the things are involved into it, that it basically considered as an effective communications which basically supports the social environment, right? Each and everything that disciplines, birth, education, experiences, relations, each and everything, and culture as well that involved into it. So it reflects. So that is the social environment is the right answer. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. The public communication tends to occur within a more. Options are here, it is given to you. Please answer. Public communication tends to occur within a more. That is what here. Everyone. Public communication tends to occur within a more convenient structure. Public communication happens when individuals and the group engage in dialogues in the public sphere in the order to deliver a message to the specific audience, right? So it is basically within a more convenient structure that public communication tends to occur, right? So like an example it is given to you, like the public speaking events, newspaper editorials, billboards, advertisement. They are the few forms of the public communications which is basically within a more convenient structure it is organized. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. That chemical weathering of the rocks is largely dependent upon. Chemical weathering of the rocks is largely dependent upon. Everyone answer. Chemical weathering of the rocks is largely dependent upon. Chali, very good. So right answer it is that heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall is the right answer. ठीक है. So if it is needed to explanations, you can read the explanation. That is weathering of the rocks by the chemical is called chemical weathering. किसको chemical weathering कहते हैं? That is when the rocks or it is by the weathering of the chemicals. So weathering of the rocks by the chemicals is called chemical weathering. Rainwater is naturally slightly acidic, and because the carbon dioxide from the air is dissolved into it, and minerals in the rocks may react with the rainwater, that causing the rock to be weathered. Okay, so a lot of the process is involved into it, right from the chemical weathering, and then from the acidic, which is basically carbon dioxide from the air which mixed, and then also the mineral also reacts with it with the rainwater, and that cause the rocks to be weathered. So that is what the chemical weathering of the rocks, which is largely dependent upon the heavy rainfall, because the rainfall is consisting the acidic, and that is what it reacts with the atmosphere, and also the minerals reacts. So that is what it's the chemical weathering. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. The right to impart and receive information is guaranteed in the Constitution of India by the article. So options are here given. The right to impart and receive information is guaranteed in the constitutions of India by the article. चलिए जल्दी से आंसर देंगे. Yes. So right answer it is that D. Absolutely. So right to impart, receive information, that is our freedom of speech and expressions. Okay. Very good. Chali. All right. Next, a common test in the research demands much priority on. A common test in the research demands much priority on reliability, usability, objectivity, all of the above. Everyone answer. Before options, everyone is answering. Very good. That the right answer. That is all of the above. Okay. So reliability भी चाहिए, usability भी, objectivity. This is all here. It is that is demands. That is common test in the research demands everything that is priority on the reliability, usability, and objectivity and all. Okay. Find out the correct sequence of the internet address. Top level domain, specific file, domain name, and protocol. Everyone answer. This is all for the revisions. We had discussed this all questions. जल्दी से बताएंगे. Only today is the day which you can do the preparations a lot. जितनी preparation करनी है, जितनी revision करनी है, आज कर सकते हो आप. Tomorrow in the morning shift there is exam which you have to give it, right? So be careful while reading all the questions and answering, and within the time please do the all questions. Okay. Find out the correct sequence of the internet address. That is here the right answer. It is absolutely. You can look on the pictures as well. It will give you a hint to answer. Yes. So right answer it is C. Protocol, domain name, top level domain, and a specific file. Right. You can see as a, what it is called subdomain, what it's called domains, and what it's called TLD, top level domain. It is in the picture. It is described. So C is the right answer. Right starts from the HTTP or HTTPS. That is hypertext transfer protocol, secure or protocol. Okay. And then it is with the domain name, which is basically that 𝗃𝗏𝑠tudyhub.com. That is 𝗃𝗏𝑠tudyhub is a domain name, and that is .com. It is the top level domain, and the specific file, the file address is given where the name of the where the pages is location of the pages or the page and page name it is there. Okay, page or post name you can say. Now the science of the study of the feedback system in the humans, animals, and the machine is known as. Everyone answer. Please look over on the questions as well. मोहम्मद खालिद लगता है थक गए हैं. Tired. You are tired by answering the questions, but I have not tired by asking the questions. Everyone answer. The science of the study of the feedback system in the humans, animals. जो feedback system के ऊपर आप study करते हैं उसकी science को, that may be of the humans, animals, or the machines, that it is here in the picture you can see. Yes, that is what the right answer it is. A. Cybernetics. Okay. So cybernetics is the right answer. That is here it is given. So Norbert Wiener had defined the cybernetics in the 1948. Okay. Chali, in the missing number, please look on it and answer it. What is the right answer of these questions? आपने इतने सारे एग्जाम दिए. लॉट ऑफ द एग्जाम्स यू हैव बीन अटेम्प्टेड थ्रू वीकली एग्जाम. आपने हर संडे को आपने एग्जाम दिया, पेपर 1 का, पेपर 2 का. आपने इतने सारे PYQ सॉल्व किए, यूनिट वाइज PYQ. आपने बहुत सारे PYQ सॉल्व किए. सिमिलरली दैट आपने क्लासेस बहुत सारे किए, MCQ क्लासेस अटेंड किए. अब लगता है कि आप क्वेश्चंस इतने कॉन्फिडेंट हो गए होंगे कि आप आंसर दे सकते हैं आप. ठीक है. बट दिस ऑल वेयर विल बी नॉट द क्वेश्चंस. ये सारे पैटर्न पे क्वेश्चंस होंगे. ठीक है. सो क्वेश्चंस वुड नॉट बी द सेम, द पैटर्न वुड बी द सेम, बट क्वेश्चंस वुड नॉट बी सेम. प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स. एग्जाम के बाद ये ना कहें कि सर एक भी क्वेश्चंस तो नहीं आया. दिस इज द वी आर रिवाइजिंग, सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कंसेप्ट्स एंड द पैटर्न. ओके. चलिए. So right answer that everybody has answered the correct, right? I think there is no need to explain. So up, that is you can do it -1 +2, that again here that is +3. So in this way you would go and understand that is 18/30 is the right answer. Everybody has given इज देयर एनीथिंग टू एक्सप्लेन? अगर एक्सप्लेन करना है तो चलिए ध्यान से देखिए. दैट इज 16/32, 15/33, 17/31 and 14/34, right? If it is given this, so you can see that 32 plus 1, 33, 33 minus here 2, that is 31, again here plus 3. So if you would see that plus 1 minus 1 plus minus plus, again here it will be here minus 4 it will be. So that would be the base will be the 30, either this or either this. Now look over on the nominator part. Nominator part it is about, that is minus 1, then it is plus 2, again here minus 3, then again here plus 4. So that is by 18. So 18/30 that would be the right answer. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. 62 that is the here the blood reasoning questions. A is the father of B, C is the sister of A, D is the grandson of C. How is D related to B? Everybody answer, जल्दी से बताएंगे. Everyone answer. You have to make a tree. ठीक है, फैमिली ट्री बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है इसमें. Please make a family tree, then definitely you will be answering. Okay. So A is here. A is the father. A is the father of B. So father will be in the up, right? So it is here the father. So it is here the plus because A is the father. C is the sister of A. So C is the sister. So C is here in the same way that it will be, and C is the sister. It would be minus. Okay. So D is the grandson of the C. D is the grandson of C. That is here. It will be one more, and that is again here. That is D. D is the grandson of C. So it is again here plus 1. So how is D related to B? It is asking to it, right? So in this way there is one generations gap that you can find it, and that would be considered as a nephew. Okay, very good. Chili. So you can relate it with and you can answer. If you make the okay, Mohammad Khalis, okay, definitely Mohammad Khalis, there will be the one class also in the evening of the paper 2. Marathon class एक और हम करना चाह रहे हैं, and that I want to get the feedback from you all that you need the marathon class of the paper 2 as well. That the 2 hours marathon class. Everyone please say. Everyone please say. If you want then please say. Chali, which is the source of the, if it is, then if it is demand from your side definitely will conduct. It is not, then definitely will not conduct. So which is the source of the chlorofluorocarbons? Okay. Chali, all right. So what is the source of the CFC? So CFC is the chlorofluorocarbon. So definitely yes, all the best to you also. ऑल द बेस्ट के लिए मैं एक वीडियो बनाऊंगा आपके लिए. ठीक है, चलिए. What is the source of the chlorofluorocarbons that see here? Refrigerations and the air conditioning. Yes, very good. That the right answer it is C. Very good. So CFC जो है सबसे ज़्यादा जो सोर्स है इसकी, रेफ्रिजरेटर एंड द एयर कंडीशनिंग इज़ द मोस्ट थिंग. ओके, चलिए. नाउ फीडबैक ऑफ ए मैसेज कम्स फ्रॉम. फीडबैक कहाँ से आता है? दिस इज़ द वेरी इजी. चलिए everyone, very good. That the right answer it is yes, absolutely, that is C, audience. Okay, very good. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. The function of mass, we had discussed this question, that is the correlations we had discussed, right? चलिए आगे. What are the characteristics of the continuous and comprehensive evaluation CCE? Everyone, sorry, this is the animation was not was good. Okay, so that answer would be D. Please look on it. That the CCE, right? That is CCE. It is stands for continuous comprehension and evaluations, and it is what it's about. That is, if we would go with it, that it is increases the workload on the students by taking multiple tests. No, it would not be. So that it replaces the mark with grades. Yes. Every aspect of the students it evaluates. Yes. It is helps in reducing examination phobia. So it is another kind of the pattern which was launched in, I think, when I was also in the class 9 and 10, that in that time the CCE pattern was implemented, that the continuous and comprehensive evaluation in order to enhance the students, and that the grade system was come, right? So that is what it's about, the replacing with the grades, that earlier it was in percentage. So definitely the grade system has replaced this mark systems, and also it evaluates the every aspect of the student, and it also will help in reducing the examination phobia. So a lot of the projects are there. Chaliye, so CC is that here, the D would be the right answer, that is BCD. Now the concept of connect intelligence is derived from, everyone please answer. कनेक्ट इंटेलिजेंस की कंसेप्ट जो है कहाँ से डिराइव होती है? एवरीवन आंसर वर्चुअल रियलिटी, फजी लॉजिक, ब्लूटूथ टेक्नोलॉजी, वैल्यू एडेड नेटवर्क्स. Yes, so that right answer it is that. Very good, that is the VAN, वैल्यू एडेड नेटवर्क. सो कनेक्ट इंटेलिजेंस का जो कंसेप्ट है वो वैन से आता है, राइट? सो दैट इज वैल्यू एडेड नेटवर्क. इट्स अ होस्टेड सर्विस दैट प्रोवाइड्स कंपनीज विद अ सिक्योर वे टू सेंड एंड शेयर द डेटा विद द काउंटर पार्टीज, राइट? हम लोग सभी लोग वैन और VPN यूज़ करते हैं. यस. इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ कंडक्टिंग रिसर्च, फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ हाइपोथेसिस इज फॉलोड बाय. In the process of conducting research, formulation of hypothesis is followed by. Everyone answer. So options are given to you. Please choose the appropriate one which is about the formulation of hypothesis. चलिए, everyone answer. Yes. So right answer it is about C. Very good. That is what it is here. अगर आप देखेंगे the process of conducting research, formulation of hypothesis, right? So when it is, so step 1 that is formulation of the research, and that is the literature, aims and objective, that is research design and tools, okay? And that is construction of the data collections and the sample and data analysis and the report findings, okay? So what the answering the people are answering, that is a C. आप जब माइनर रिसर्च करते हो, जब आप मास्टर में जब आप रिसर्च करते हो तो उसमें एक नॉर्मल प्रोसेस होता है कि इंट्रोडक्शन हो, ठीक है? इंट्रोडक्शंस होते हैं, ROL होता है, लिटरेचर रिव्यू होता है, देन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होता है, देन हाइपोथेसिस होता है, okay? Then research design होता है and methods and tools होता है. So it is saying that in the process of conducting formulation of hypothesis followed by, right? So that is followed by the research design and tools, right? So it is what here it is important, that selection of the research tools it is here, okay? It is clear everyone? Please tell it is clear. चलिए, next that is identify the term X in the following series. 4, 12, 14, 168, 8x. चलिए जल्दी से आंसर देंगे. And identify the term X in the following series. Very good. So right answer it is here, that is C, 756. How it would be, how would you solve? So little bit tricky it is there, so थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिएगा. into 3 into 3.5 into 4 and again here will be 4.5. so when you will do it you will get the results, that is 756. okay, चलिए, okay. Now next here it is in the sequence of the number 8, 24, 12x, 1854. everyone answer. जल्दी से बताएंगे what is the right answer it here questions. अब फटाफट करते हैं, we had less time. What will be the, that is multiply by 3 divided by 2, right? Here multiply by 3 divided by 2, right? So in this way what will be, that is 36. okay, so 36 will be the right answer, that is C. okay, चलिए, very good. Now next question, who is the current speaker of the लोक सभा? लोकसभा के करंट स्पीकर कौन है? एवरीबॉडी आंसर. जल्दी से बताएंगे. नाउ टाइमर इज बीइंग स्टार्ट हियर. प्लीज आंसर इन द 10 सेकेंड्स. यस, वेरी गुड. सो राइट आंसर इट इज हियर ओम बिरला. ओम बिरला इज द right, and the current speaker of the Lok Sabha is Om Birla and he is the 17th Lok Sabha speaker. okay, please go with it. Now next, communication with oneself is known as, it is very easy everyone. Communication with oneself is known as, yes, very good, that is what it is here. The right answer it is intrapersonal communications. Oneself, it is about the oneself. ठीक है, राइट आंसर दैट इज डी। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। हु इज द करेंट चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया? एवरीवन आंसर, हु इज द करेंट चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया? करेंट अफेयर से क्वेश्चन से सारे, प्लीज आंसर इट फास्ट। Grapevine communication is kind of the informal communications the peoples gather together and discussed on the any irrelevant issues, or that may be some kinds, like for an example, after the class what you would do with the peer groups, you will meet your friends and you will discuss about the some questions and all, और कुछ चीज़ें discuss करेंगे, that is what it's about the grapevine communication, when the peoples and the friends and the family members that discuss on some issues, that is what it is, not some kind of the structured, कोई स्ट्रक्चर नहीं होता, दैट इज व्हाट इट्स अबाउट द ग्रेपवाइन। चलिए, सो राइट आंसर इट इज अबाउट यस डी, डॉक्टर जस्टिस धनंजय वाई चंद्रचूड़। ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट द राइट आंसर, दैट इज करंट चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया। एवरीवन प्लीज आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चंस। A 50-year-old man has an son whose age is 2/5 of his age. After how many the ratio of the age of the man to his son will be the 5/3? So 50 years है, that is old man, that is 2/5, it means that is 50 into 2/5, it means 10, that is 20, it is son age. After how many the ratio of the age that man of to be with the son 5/3, ठीक है। So that is what it is here, that how much you would add it here, कितना आप add करेंगे, then it will be as an that 50 plus x, okay, or the same here 20 plus x, and that would be ratio 5/3. If you will do the cross multiplication and solve the calculations, you will get the result, that is 25 years. X value will be 25. You can do the calculations as the 150 plus 3x, and that is 100 plus 5x. Okay, so in with 50, that is 2x, and that is 225, and you will get the value of x 25. So 25 is the right answer. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। Use of an ordinary telephone as an internet appliance is called what? Everyone answer. Use of an ordinary telephone as an internet appliance is called what? This is the marathon class on YouTube, and no such unnecessary things has been explained it here, right? We had not wasted the time. Each and every questions was one-to-one questions was there. So please जो है आप थोड़ा सा, अगर आपको वीडियोस पसंद आ रहा हो तो लाइक कर दीजिए, एंड डेफिनेटली if you have not subscribed yet, then please subscribe and share to your friends as well, that they will be benefited about this exam. चलिए, use of an ordinary telephone as an internet appliance is called C voice line. Very good. So voice line is a low cost phone service that is an alternative to your traditional phone line. As you can see in the picture, it is, that is voice line, as it is also known as VoIP. Okay, that is voice over on internet protocol. Okay, voice over on internet protocol. Okay, so that is what the telephone line that we use, landline, that is what it is about. The internet भी चलता है हमारा और बातें भी होती है, that is what it is on the voice over on the internet, that is called VoIP, and that is the voice line. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty of an Indian citizen? Everyone answer. Yes, so right answer here it is, that is very good, that is to pay income tax regularly. Okay, so it is not the fundamental duties, right? It is not the fundamental duty. Others are fundamental duties, that is to abide by the constitution and respect its ideals, to protect and improve the natural environment, and to defend the country as the render national service, right? So it all the fundamental duties is mentioned in the article 1551A. Okay, important, please note it down. चलिए, हु हैज़ द पावर टू डिक्लेयर नेशनल इमरजेंसी इन इंडिया? किसके पास पावर है इमरजेंसी डिक्लेयर करने का? एवरीवन, प्रेसिडेंट, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, चीफ जस्टिस, स्पीकर ऑफ द लोकसभा? चलिए, so let's start the timer here. Everyone answer please. Please go with this all question. It is very important. Please look on it. It is very important. Please share this video link to the others also. Yes, so what the right answer it is? Very good, that the president has the power to declare national emergency in India. Okay, chaliye, very good. Chaliye, next question, define the which of the two options is given here and you have to identify the level of the understanding. Everyone जल्दी से बताएंगे. Everyone, level of understanding. Everyone, yes, very good. So right answer it is here, that is B, only two. Define noun in your own words is the right answer of these questions. So please look on it. It is very important, so that we had understood about the levels of the teaching as well. We हमने levels of teaching हमने पढ़ा हुआ है, and that is what it is the highest level of the teaching. It is called the reflective teaching. Okay, so if you go with this all, it is an important to note it about ये सारे जितने भी teaching का level है, please note it down. This is very important. So it is asked in the questions in the exam also. चलिए, so B is the right answer, that is define noun in your own words. It is the understanding level. Okay, so there is a memory level. एक memory level होता है, एक understanding level होता है, और एक आपका reflective level होता है. Okay, so reflective level is the highest. This is the highest level of teaching. Okay, it is the highest level of teaching, so that is called as a reflective level. Okay, and who is the proponent of the reflective level? Anybody would say who is the proponent of the reflective level? Reflective level का proponent है Hunt. Okay, and who is the proponent of the understanding level? Understanding level का proponent कौन है? Morrison. Okay, and who is the proponent of the memory level? आप भी कोई आंसर, आप लोग आंसर देंगे. Who is? That is Herbert, right? Please note these all are the proponents of the different levels of the teachings, that is memory level, understanding level, and reflective level. Please note it down. This is all here important. Which of the following statement is most appropriate? Answer it. Everyone, which of the following statement is most appropriate? Very good. So that is what here the most appropriate answer here it is, that is B. Teachers' help can create in a student desire to learn, as you can see in the picture as well, that when you create a desire in the student to learn, that is was the most appropriate. Very good. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Look over on the question so you can answer which of the following statements are correct. So options are given that for the sequence of the integers represented in binary, this is here the p next p would be represented as 0 1 1 0 1. A byte is the binary number consisting of exactly 8 bits. Choose the correct answer from the following code. Yes, so right answer it is C, both A and B. Okay, so both A and B are correct. It is, you can see as an these are binary numbers and which is represented as in 0 1 and 1 and 0. So it is here it is given as, you can see, so it is correct here for the sequence of integers represented as binary. Next it is the question, next it is the statement here, a byte is a binary number consisting of the exactly 8 bits, and that is choose the correct answer from the following code. So if we see that we know that 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Okay, so 8 bits that combine here together and called 1 byte. So that is what it is important. Please note it down. That is a byte is a binary number that consists of the 8 bits. That is we call it. So both A and B would be the true. Okay, so C was the right answer. It is clear. Suganya, Khushbu, Meera Mandal, it is clear to you, everyone? Chale, research can be conducted by the persons. Everyone answer. चलिए बाइनरी नंबर है उसको आप सीक्वेंस आप समझ लीजिए. दैट इज़ बेसिकली इट इज़ गिवन देयर. सो यू हैव टू गोइंग टू इन द कैलकुलेशंस. आपको कैलकुलेशंस करना पड़ेगा अगर आपको सीक्वेंस समझना है तो. अदरवाइज यू कैन से एज एन दैट यस इट इज़ इन द 0 and 1 and it is a binary number and it is further sequenced it is here. Okay, so you have to convert it into the decimal number, then you will understand the sequence. चलिए research can be conducted by a persons who. Yes, I just studied the research methodology. Very good. So research methodology is very much important, that it is not only necessary about the reasoning and thinking abilities, it is also that research methodology, because it's a blueprint of the research. Each and everything depend upon the research methodology. So methodology talks about the sampling techniques, the population size, and about the tools, methods which you are approaches which you are using. So that's why A is more important with the research can be who is having an idea and knowledge about the research methodology. Now next, classroom communication of a teacher rests on the principle of. Everyone answer. Classroom communication of a teacher rests on the principle of. Everyone please answer. We had thank you so much. I think it is audible now. Thank you so much. I think it is audible now. Everyone say please. Okay. So yes. So I think it is audible, everyone. So we will just finish it here. Okay, and we'll meet in the upcoming sessions that to be conducted, right? So a lot of the questions are there which to be discussed. I wanted to discuss about the 4 to 5 hours, right? But I think we should close these sessions here, and definitely we'll now consider and we'll discuss about the paper 2, and we'll definitely schedule, and you will be notified around 7 o'clock, right? 7 o'clock will be the time, 7:15 or 7 o'clock will be the time, and you can see. ठीक है, वो सारी चीज़ें हम देखेंगे and we'll schedule here it, okay, for the paper 2 questions, and that will also be marathon class for the 2 hours. Okay, so thank you to everybody. Thank you so much. Hope you have enjoyed these sessions and learned a lot of the things, right? So thank you to everybody. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the upcoming class and upcoming marathon class. Thank you so much. Okay, so all the best to you.